I am at a LaserWash 4000 at the Metric Boulevard Car Wash in Austin, and we're gonna try it out. Come on. Oh boy. Okay, I actually got it to eat that 10. So we're gonna see how this vintage looking wash does. Line myself up. Okay, we have an undercarriage. What the hell is this LaserWash doing? Spraying through the arm. Guess they have the undercarriage set up wrong. There we go. Okay, let's see what this is capable of. And we're starting off with a high pressure rinse, I guess. Okay, that arm is in very rough shape. Oh, there's actually soap in this rinse. Oh, it's like a high pressure pre-soak kind of thing. Okay. Yeah, definitely soap in there. Oh, and the sign actually does work. So that was the pre-soak slash tire cleaner. Or I guess this is the pre-soak slash tire cleaner. These are standalone laser dry dryers. They are not docking. A nice layer of pre-soak. We'll look at it through the backup camera. Very nice. I did try to use one of their self-service bays to use their triple foam polish on and to kind of wash my car. Nothing really worked, so kind of ate my $2, but it's only $2. So yeah, I wouldn't really recommend using the self-service bays here. Focus. There we go. Look at the sign. Getting our high pressure rinse. Nozzle's jammed. The top of the wash arm is literally shuddering. It's like shaking. Yeah, a few of the nozzles might not be working. Okay, what next? No, it says Polyshell Triple Shine, but as you can see, this machine is not equipped with trifoam at all. This is actually a fairly old machine, still using the treadle. Okay, what is this? Looks like more soap. Smells like a clear coat protectant, but the light just says pre-soak and tire cleaner. I actually don't know what's getting put on the car right now. I'm gonna assume it's clear coat. Okay, Okay, now the polyshell triple shite line is blinking. So we'll see what that's all about. It smells like ice. It smells like freezer burn. Okay. It's just a wax coating, I guess. It's blue, I think. It's like bluish pinkish. I can't really lay my finger on the color. Nah, it's just like a really, really weird white. Yeah, it does not smell great. That is a pretty low pressure rinse for the amount of stuff that it was put on the car. I'll watch through the back camera or the rear view mirror. Still plenty of product left on the car. Let's hope it gives me another rinse. Okay, the clear coat light's on now. So we should be getting our clear coat protectant. Double pass on clear coat? Really? Okay. Doesn't look like there's anything in here. Just looks like water. I don't think clear coat is a really foamy product. Oh, no spot for rinse. Okay. Well, all right. Let's see how these laser dry dryers do. They have that classic sound to them and that violent startup. Doing an alright job. Windshield could be better. There's no dryer timer. Let's see how it gets to the back. Did alright. Now let's see how it did on the car. So the car wasn't really dirty beforehand. There's just these grass clippings, because I mowed the yard yesterday, that did not come off. There's still some soap. The car is still fairly wet. It doesn't look terrible, but the front is still pretty dirty.